Hello class, today I'm presenting to you the ES343 Black Power 2022 final project, Plan for a Contemporary Black Power Movement. My name is Jasmine Lindsay. Area 1, 3 elements for the Black Panther Party: Black nationalism, socialism, and armed self-defense. The Black Panther Party was a revolutionary organization with the ideology of Black nationalism, socialism, and armed self-defense, particularly against police brutality. It was a part of the Black Power movement, which broke from the integranist goals and nonviolent protest tactics of Southern Christian Leadership Conference, led by Dr. Martin Luther King, Jr. Area 2, elements of previous Black Power movements: racial pride, self-sufficiency, and equality. Black Power as revolutionary movement in the 1960s and 1970s. It emphasized racial pride, economic empowerment, and the creation of political and social institutions. During this era, there are a rise in the demand of Black history courses, a greater embrace of African culture, and a spread of raw artistic expression displaying the realities of African Americans. Area 3. At least one critique of the BPP or any previous Black Power movements and how this movement would function differently. Many activists of the Black Power movement were becoming increasingly discontented with the slow pace of progress. Like the activists of civil rights, their goal was complete racial equality. In today's society, people will march for what is right, just as they did after George Floyd was killed by a Minneapolis police officer in 2021. But they will not go to the extent of retaliating with violence. They'd simply make a violent statement by trashing their city and broadcasting it about it on social media. Area 4. Describe how Black Power activists would interact or not with the current government/political structure and climate. The Black Panthers' purpose also included education. They established liberation schools that combined traditional courses like math and science with lessons on Black history and racial unfairness. Current activists have embraced the Panthers' emphasis on education. No Name, a rapper and activist, runs a book club that includes Black Panther Party readings and materials. And Colin Kaepernick hosted a free youth camp in 2016 based on Panther's 10-point plan, which focused on policing, history, and human rights. Area 5, at least one new strategy for contemporary issues that was not addressed by previous movements. Improving employment rates and opportunities. In comparison to their white male counterparts, Black men have greater unemployment rates, lower labor force participation rates, and lower wages. To overcome this, policies should encourage Black men to seek better career possibilities as a starting point Boosting Black boys' and men's educational performance will increase their chances in labor market. And this is my citation of the research for this project. Thank you for listening.